really feel strongly about. And I mean, in your questions about Black Lives Matter, you called it a Marxist communist organization. Pretty strong opinion, right? I mean, what did you mean?
This guy is amazing.
That's what they are. They are Marxist communists. They don't.
What do I mean? I meant exactly those things.
Can't
help noticing a lot of hammer sickle flags and communist propaganda, Che Guevara shirts.
Be converted into that type of a country.
Correct.
Also read their platform.
Just sort of leading that charge into the guise of Black lives.
Correct.
That's not
and that's
they're bringing us to commie Marxism.
Creating some of the problems that you've been telling us about, right? People not following the law, people looting and rioting, stealing, right?
Correct.
And it seems like it's sort of an us versus them, right? Like they're trying to convert this country into something you don't want it to be.
Correct.
And
Based Juror
causes you
this guy's amazing.
enough concern to arm yourself.
Correct.
And to get pepper spray, because I wasn't quite sure what you had said about while you have had guns, you've also gotten pepper spray. Can you explain that to me, please?
Because if you use a gun, you're going to get in a lot of trouble, even though it was for self-defense.
Preach it, brother.
So
Preach it.
Pepper spray first.
And you talked about sort of the law applying differently to some people than others, right?
Correct.
And is this sort of a symptom of this problem that you're seeing, this sort of us versus them, that there's this group that the law isn't being applied to equally?
Correct.
You're a law follower, they're not.
Correct.
And that's, how much of a race issue is that for you?
Zero. It's some people can do things and they aren't charged with it, and other people they are, and it really depends what political views you have, in my opinion.
Preach it, brother. Preach it.
Does it?
Let's invite this juror on the panel.
Yeah, when he gets
where it's at.
dismissed immediately.
Juror,
if you happen to tune into this, juror, please look me up. You sound like a phenomenal guest.
And they're
I'll drive out to your house. We'll hang out.
Creating this sort of us versus them.
No, I would disagree.
Why is that?
I think the law is applied differently to different people, and that's where the issue is.
And
also, Attorney General Keith Ellison's a piece of shit commie too.
Is it doesn't apply sometimes, in your mind at least, fairly to people who commit crimes.
Correct.
And number 5, one of the things I was, not everybody is right for every jury, right? I mean, one of the reasons we go through this